Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of the 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this episode, we will speak about Bhagwant Roy. He was born on 15th of January 1970 in Ludhiana, Punjab. He was active in politics from young age and was member of the Students and Labour Federation. He joined the newly founded All India Students Federation and was part of its working committee in 1937. He was representative of Patiala and East Punjab State Union in the Constituent Assembly. He spoke on various issues in the Constituent Assembly. He spoke on the rights of people of princely state. He was also part of debates surrounding the allocation of subjects to different lists. He was in favor of granting the states a greater role in the industrial development. He also spoke on the Public Service Commission. So we'll just see regarding that issue. 23rd of August 1949, quote, I fail to understand when Public Service Commission will operate in states and unions, why the vacancies to be filled should not be under their control. Often it has been seen that the vacancies which are to be filled by nominations are not filled on the consideration of merit. I have had experience of Indian states. The vacancies are filled there either by the relatives or the friends or by those who flatter the government. Hence, I am afraid lest the same may happen hereafter as well. Recently, it has been heard, and I suppose it is a matter of 2 or 3 months, that some vacancies of IS were to be filled. Though a board was constituted for the same, still some of the vacancies were filled by those who did not come under its jurisdiction. For this, the reason given was that since the vacancies were filled in a hurry, hence it was unavoidable. But later on, it was revealed that they were either relatives or friends of officers. Therefore, I want to emphasize that since you are appointing commission and entrusting them with powers, such things should not happen there. So he had very strong views on the Public Service Commission and the favoritism which may go on into that. He passed away on 29th of July 1978. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.